No, right here. Look, say hi. Hi. So good morning. It's supposedly a snow morning. I have yet to look outside so I can see. But we are going to, let me brush her teeth. Cheese. Okay, so if y'all can't see, there is definitely no snow. So with that being said, that means mommy can do her fast today because I was gonna fast yesterday and I did not. We are going to go ahead and start the day like normal. I need to get my drink situated. I need to get her some cartoons on for a moment so that I can get my drink situated. I just don't know where the remote is. Found it. And then outside of that, let's see. We decorated the living room yesterday. So with that being said, only thing I really, y'all, I don't think y'all understand. I said it in the beginning of the video, like I'm trying to get the whole house clean or whatever. One thing for sure and two things for certain. When it comes to cleaning our room, it becomes kind of like a task that takes like days. So because of that, I am kind of just going to, hold on, let me smell you and see. That's me. I'm about to make her some scrambled eggs and chopped up chicken from yesterday that she had from Chick-fil-A. I said mommy will be in fast mode. So I'm gonna be honest, when it comes to doing a fast for me, I have a couple different types of fast that I like to do. One main fast is just like a plain liquid fast, and that liquid fast can include anything. It can be like from coffee, protein shakes, you know, to just straight water. So it just really depends on the type of fast I want to do that day. And to be honest, today I'm kind of just feeling like water and like maybe a frosted coffee or white hot chocolate mocha. So, and I got to pump, y'all. I forgot. Like when I tell you, pumping is one of those things that's like become like, okay, you do it, you don't. Because I do breastfeed too, so it's kind of like I'm doing two things at once. But, and mind you, now she's in here. I turned on the cartoons. She's in here. It's okay though, because you know, I'm not worried. 9 times out of 10, I open this door and she'll start playing with some stuff, and then it's like, okay, cool. Anywho, open the door, she goes in place. Anywho, I need to wash my breast pump and then get my life together. But first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and make our drink because I don't want to have to come over here and do it in a couple minutes when things may get a little busy because I got some stuff to do today. But like I was saying, when it comes to fasting for me, I got a multitude of ways that I do my fast. I have like the longest fast I've done, I think it's been about 10 to 14, I want to say 10 to 15 days. Like, in my opinion, I think it was really 10 days. I think at like the 10th day mark when I was getting ready to eat, I was like so against food. Like I didn't want food at all at that point, that it kind of just like took me into do like a light liquid until I ease into it or whatever. And then I just, so I got a new, if y'all seen my video yesterday, I got a new mixer, these breast pumps, because I did not feel like doing this last night. Outside of that though, this child done pulled out the popcorn. She done pulled out the Rip Van waffles. She done pulled out my Christmas tree cakes, my popcorn buckets, a Kit Kat, and some iced oatmeal cookies. Hey Isalia, what you doing? You just taking care and just having fun? Yep, I'm having fun, mommy. Now mind you, you're sitting in here and the TV's over there. We are going to try to make her do is chop up her eggs and stuff, and then this little chicken from Chick-fil-A yesterday. She seemed to like it and I was happy about it. It's nap time. As y'all can see, like, look at her eyes. She's over it. But real quick, because this is about to fall. Real quick, when I tell y'all, this right here is the best. Okay, you really can't see it, but it's a frosted coffee. I got 2 of them. Okay, I got 2 frosted coffees. Once I got done drinking one, I took the other one and drank it. So, like I said, because I'm doing fasting, this counts as my liquid day. I did put cookie crumbles in it, but since they're blended in, you know, you don't taste it. So it's a win for me, and it keeps me in my fasting. So, you ready? You want to try to eat something else? She's been trying to eat some food, but she act like she want to go to sleep too. Yes, no. If you don't want it, you ain't gotta have it. I just don't want you to drop it.
Why the extra mirror?
Where?
On the front of the car.
Where you see the extra mirror at?
Look at the front.
Oh, check your rear view. Rear, like the back. What you call it? The rear side. Because you gotta think it's on the hood. So yeah.